Dear viewers, in the previous episode, I have discussed about German dative prepositions. Now, in this episode, I have discussed about German accusative preposition. Here is important the application of German masculine gender singular noun, that is the article of the masculine gender singular nouns changes according to accusative prepositions. Please see the video till end. Accusative Präpositionen auf Deutsch. Accusative prepositions in German. At first, let us revise the accusative articles, nominative to accusative. Now there are three genders: masculine, neuter, feminine, and the plural form of the noun. Now let us revise. Masculine, nominative, der, accusative. Den, meinen, deinen, seinen, ihren, seinen, unseren, euren, ihren, einen, keinen, diesen. Now here, neuter or neuter gender noun, das, mein, dein, sein, ihr, sein, unser, euer, ihr, ein, kein, dieses. Now feminine, die, meine, deine, seine, ihre, seine, unsere, eure, ihre, eine, keine, diese. Now in plural form, the article die, meine, deine, seine, ihre, seine, unsere, eure, ihre. No plural in case of indefinite. And keine, negative article, keine, diese. Now, dear viewers, learn and memorize in this method gender-wise from top to bottom. After accusative prepositions, the above mentioned articles will sit. Here is the special case. That is, only the article of accusative masculine singular changes, other remains same as nominative. Now this is the change. Masculine gender noun, nominative, der, den, meinen, deinen, seinen, ihren, seinen, unseren, euren, ihren, einen, keinen, diesen. Now viewers are requested to revise episode number 21, where I have discussed about accusative cases with verbs for better understanding. Here I have also written both English and German spelling for the convenience of the viewers for better understanding. Please read the English and German spelling in relation to fundamental words written in description box. It is also important that no parallel translation from German to English is applicable. German will be German, English will be English. Meaning shall be interpreted. Präpositionen mit dem Akkusativ. Prepositions with the accusative. Local. Durch, gegen, entlang. Temporal. gegen General, für, ohne. Bis, up to, both preposition and conjunction. Durch, für, gegen, ohne, bis, entlang, immer mit Akkusativ. Immer, always, meet with. No, number 1. Durch, through. Die Sätze, the sentences. Robert geht durch den Park. Here, der Park becomes den Park. Masculine, singular. Changes, the article, the changes. Article changes into den Park from der Park. Now, English translation. Robert walks through the park. B. Ich sehe durch das Fenster. Here, das Fenster remains das Fenster. Neuter singular or neuter gender singular. No change in article. Now, English. I look or I see through the window. Here the verb is sehen, to see or to look. The conjugation. Ich sehe, du siehst. Er, sie, es sieht. Wir sehen, ihr seht. Sie sehen, Grossi sehen. C. Herr Gomes fährt durch Frankreich nach Spanien. Here, no article before proper noun. Now, English translation. Mr. Gomes travels through France towards Spain. Now, number 2. Gegen. In local form, against or hits. In terms of any against. Das Auto fährt gegen ein Haus. Here, das Haus, ein Haus. Neuter gender noun or neuter gender noun singular, no change in article. English. The car hits a house. Number 3. Around. Local form. Sentence. Wir sitzen den Tisch. Here, der Tisch becomes den Tisch. Accusative, masculine, singular. Change in article. Now, English. We are sitting around the table. Number 4. Entlang. Along. Wir fahren die Straße entlang. Here, die Straße, accusative, feminine. No change in article. English. We travel along the street. Straße, street. Now, temporal, time related. Correct time. A. 8 Uhr komme ich. Here, no article before number because number is not noun. Now, English translation. I come at 8 a.m. B. Der Zug kommt 9 Uhr an. Here, article sits before noun, not before number. Here, the time is a number. Now, English. The train arrives at 9 a.m. Number 6. Für, for. It is a general preposition. Now, sentence. A. Frau Basu kauft ein Fahrrad für ihren Sohn. Here, der Sohn, den Sohn, ihren Sohn. Accusative, masculine, singular. Sohn means son. Now, English. Frau Basu buys a bicycle for her son. Ihren, her. Sohn, son. Now, B. Hier ist ein Brief für Robert. Here no article before proper noun. Robert is a proper noun. Now English translation. Here is a letter for Robert. Now the verb kaufen. The conjugation is kaufen, to buy. Ich kaufe, du kaufst, sie es kauft, wir kaufen, ihr kauft, sie grossi kaufen. Ohne, without. General category preposition or general preposition. Peter geht ohne seinen Freund ins Kino. Here, der Freund, den Freund, seinen Freund. Accusative, masculine, singular noun. That is boyfriend. Now English. Peter goes to the cinema without his friend. Kino, cinema. B. Ich mache keine Reise ohne Autos. Here, das Auto, die Autos. Accusative, plural. In case of plural, the article is not written. That is the D in most cases. Also, no article changes in plural in case of accusative. Now English. I don't travel without cars. Here, the Reise, traveling, is a noun. Now, some verb and their conjugations here too. Ankommen, to arrive. Ich komme an, du kommst an. Sie es kommt an. Wir kommen an, ihr kommt an, sie grossi kommen an. Bringen, to bring. Bringen, or as in English, bring. Ich bringe, du bringst. Sie es bringt. Wir bringen, ihr bringt, sie grossi bringen. Now gegen, around, that is temporal in case of time. Der Satz, the sentence. Now the German sentence. Gegen 8 Uhr komme ich. English. I come around 8 a.m. Die Sätze, the sentences. Number 1. Heute gehe ich ohne meinen Freund spazieren. Here, der Freund, den Freund, meinen Freund. Now English. Today I am going for a walk without my boyfriend. That is masculine gender. Number 2. Wir fahren durch die Stadt. Here, die Stadt, feminine. Article remains same, no change. Now English. We drive or we travel through the city. Number 3. Robert geht das Haus. Here, das Haus, neuter, singular or neuter gender. Das Haus, neuter gender noun, singular. No change in accusative form in case of article. Now English. Robert walks around the house. Now, number 4. Herr Gomes arbeitet für eine Firma. Here, die Firma, eine Firma, accusative, feminine. So, no change in article. Now, English. Mr. Gomes works for a company. Number 5. Der Briefträger bringt Geld für meinen Vater. Here der Vater becomes den Vater, meinen Vater. Accusative, masculine, singular noun. Der Vater, den Vater, meinen Vater. English, the postman brings money for my father. Briefträger, postman. Vater, father. Now, number 6. Wir gehen links die Ecke. Here, die Ecke, accusative feminine. No change in article. Now, English, we are going or we go left around the corner. Links, left. Ecke, corner. Now, number 7. Wir gehen durch die Schönstraße nach Haus. Here, the Straße is considered. It is feminine noun. Accusative feminine, so no change in article. Now, English, we go home through the Seine Street to house. Number 8. Robert fährt mit seinem Fahrrad gegen ein Auto. Here, das Auto, ein Auto. It is a neuter gender noun, same as nominative in case of accusative. But the case is accusative. Though there is no change in article, the case is accusative. Now, English, Robert hits a car with his bicycle. Now, number 9. Ich bringe ein Glas Bier für meinen Freund. Here, der Freund, den Freund, meinen Freund. Accusative, masculine, singular. So it changes in relation to masculine singular article. Now, English, I bring a glass of beer for my friend. Now, bis. Up to, until, till, or to. It is an accusative preposition. Now, sentence. Wir arbeiten von 9 Uhr bis 17 Uhr. So, no article before number. The time is a number. Now, English, we work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Here, bis is accusative preposition. Bis is treated also as conjunction. I will discuss later. Now, here is a separable verb, spazieren gehen or spazieren gehen, to go for a walk. Ich gehe spazieren. Du gehst spazieren. Sie es geht spazieren. Wir gehen spazieren. Geht spazieren. Sie gehen spazieren. Now, I have discussed ich means I, du means informal do, say Tom, you, do, he, that is Mr. Müller, sie, she, that is Frau Müller or Mrs. Müller, or es, it, wir, we, informal, this is Tom and John, you guys are. Now, sie, they, third person plural, and Grossi, say Mr. Müller, you, formal. Now, the other verbs discussed in this lection or lesson is given in the previous lection, that is lection 26, short 26. Link is given in the description box. Also, in the text. Also, Lektion 27, that is 27. Therefore, lesson 27 is fertig, is finished. Danke. So dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon in the right side to get the upcoming videos. In the next episode, I will discuss about preposition, both dative and accusative cases. Thank you.